Hi everyone, it's Shana from WTI. I wanted to tell you about this product from Brazilian Blowout. This is their Acai Protective Thermal Straightening Balm, and this stuff is really good. I do like that it's not too thick or not too thin, so it's not going to weigh your hair down when you have Brazilian blowouts in your hair, which I usually do have in my hair. And my hair is wavy, curly, frizzy, you name it, I have it. So this does help to not only protect my hair from heat damage, but it also tames or straightens my waves and curls and tames frizz. I live in a humid area, and this is humidity resistant, which is so important to me. Not only do I use it when I have Brazilian blowouts, but also when I'm in between Brazilian blowouts. It still helps to keep my hair straight. So after I wash my hair, I like to put a little bit on my hair in sections, and I just put a little bit so as not to weigh down my hair. And I proceed normally with blow drying and straightening my hair, and afterwards I do have straighter, sleek, healthy, shiny hair, and that's my point of view.